Yes, welcome back to our Y Coffee Break. I'm Christopher, IRS Certified Acceptance Agent, Tax Professional, and a business owner. How's the business so far? Talking about business, we are doing a case study. This is different, like how we deal with business clients. We got a client, they own a business. It's actually a business partnership. Now, their case, they bought $80,000 of inventories because they're selling tables, chairs, anything. It's just like all in there, like the furnitures. The problem, they distributed $80,000 or they funded $80,000, but there are no sales yet. I mean, they've been selling maybe 3,000 a month since last August. Okay, the problem is they use 5 credit cards in different accounts, like personal, business, it's mixed. How can we help them? Okay, there are 4 things that we will do for the company. Number 1 is to sort out the credit cards. There are 5 credit cards. We have to identify which is for business and which is for personal expenses. Okay, now there is what you call the commingling of assets. You have to really avoid this, which means you're mixing your business and personal expenses in one account. That is not allowed by the IRS. Okay, number 2, what else? The number 2, the other partner wants to be in the payroll. If you are a limited liability company and general partnership, your partner, can he be in the paycheck, like a W-2? The answer is no. The limited liability company will not allow you to pay your partner in a payroll. What's the resolution? Your partner needs to be what? Or your company needs to be an S corporation before you become, or he will be treated as an employee. Number 3 is, what are the filing report or the requirements? Whenever you have products in your office or in your businesses, always remember that there are at least 4 reports like that we have to file. Number 1 is the appraisal report to the county and city. Okay, that is what you call the property tax. An appraisal report, when you have a business, when you turn it upside down, anything that falls down, those are the appraisal report that we have to comply with the city and also to the county. Number 2, there is what you call on the state level, the sales tax report. It could be done quarterly or monthly. It is your gross sales. Number 3 is the franchise tax report. This is also to the state of Texas. This is a privilege tax. This is done annually. And number 4, of course, the federal filing of your business return. But since this is a limited liability company and general partner, we have to prepare him 2 separate returns. The business partnership, which is a 1065 form, and then whatever their distribution, if it's 50-50, they will report it, their net profit, on their personal return. Okay? So those are the services that we are going to provide for our new clients. And hope if you learn something, just remember, this is not a tax or legal or accounting advice. This is just for information use. If you learn something, please feel free to share our page, YCO Tax. And on YouTube, watch us, YCO Tax page. And if you want to connect to me personally, okay, just follow us on LinkedIn. Okay? So guys, thank you for watching Y Coffee Break, where we are giving you information that will improve your business, your wealth, and your life. Stay safe.